And let's say, that doesn't work or you just weren't able to get a hold of anyone. When you do come to the manager, right, to ask them for their help, and the managers, my policy is always, I'm here to help. That's what I'm here for. So come to me and ask me.
Yeah.
Don't kill too much time on a process that you speak to someone and within 5 minutes you have your answers and you're done and you spend 4 hours. So spend your time trying to come up with solutions. So when you do come to the manager, what I like to hear is that you tried something
Right.
and you tried 2 3 different ways, it didn't work. Hey, how can I get around this? And
Yeah.
that's what I like to hear. And then that sort of solves your situation.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that
I always
willingness to reach
say,
out is important.
yeah, willingness to reach out, trying something before you come versus
Right.
just saying, I got stuck. I spent 2 minutes and I'm here, asking for help.